Welcome to the first course of cardiac surgery here in Nova Medical School. This year we will perform a course for young surgeons to train the basic skills for coronary surgery, aortic valve replacement, and also mitral valve repair. Cardiac surgery is a specialty very complex to train, and we think that the best way to train a young surgeon is to train in the cadaver lab. Here in Nova Medical School we have the fresh cadaver, so we can reproduce a real surgery here in the cadaver lab. In this course for cardiac surgery here in Nova Medical School, we will also talk about the new techniques in minimal invasive cardiac surgery. We are experts in minimal invasive mitral valve repair, also in minimal invasive approach for the aortic valve, and also for mid-cap. And recently we began our program 2 years ago of robotic cardiac surgery, and we will talk about for the students, for the trainers, some techniques about the robotic and the future of cardiac surgery. As a director of the course, I invite you to come here November 9 and 10th this year in Nova Medical School in Lisbon. We will join together a very good experience to train surgeons for cardiac surgery.